Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Slide the mechanical key out of the Honda Ridgeline fob first by sliding the small release tab and pulling the key straight out. Place the fob on a clean, soft surface to avoid scratches and keep small parts from falling into carpet. Use a small 1/8-inch flathead screwdriver to find the seam and gently pry. Do not force or you will break the plastic clips. Have a new CR2032 battery ready, and avoid touching its faces with oily hands to prevent connectivity issues. Gently pry the fob halves apart at the seam, working slowly around the circumference so the plastic clips release without breaking. Once open, locate the CR2032 cell and note its orientation. On most Ridgeline fobs, the positive side faces up toward the button cap, and the negative side contacts the spring clip. Use a plastic pick or a small flat tool to lift the battery from the spring clip. Avoid bending metal contacts or using excessive force that could deform terminals or break the battery retainer. Install the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation you removed the old one, pressing it into the spring clip until it seats securely and the contacts touch. Reassemble the fob by aligning the two halves and snapping the plastic clips together evenly, then slide the mechanical key back into the slot until it clicks. Test all functions immediately. Press lock and unlock, confirm the LED flashes and door response, and press lock for 5 seconds to verify range. If the remote fails, reseat the battery or visit a dealer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.